Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be deep conditioning my hair and doing a hairstyle for natural 4C hair. So I wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner, and I'm gonna use the deep treatment mask by Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair. I'm gonna apply it with the tip of my fingers and apply it to my hair. This is how I always put conditioner in my hair. I know some people section off their hair, but I can't section my hair because I don't have clips or anything, and it's too short and my hair won't stay in place. To me, I feel like you can put the conditioner in your hair however, but being that my hair is short, I don't section off my hair. I just apply. But as long as your hair is coated with conditioner, you should be good. I don't know any other affordable deep conditioners. If you guys know any, let me know in the comment section. But I only use this. If you're new to my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle videos. Beauty videos like makeup videos, hair videos, nail videos, and lifestyle videos like day in my life vlogs and routine videos and like other lifestyle videos. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. So yeah, I'm just making sure the conditioner is all in my hair, and finger combing it through my hair, like so the curls can pop really good. And yeah, I don't deep condition my hair often, but I'm gonna try to deep condition my hair every time when I wash my hair, because I heard somebody say that if you you're supposed to deep condition your hair every time you wash it. But if you guys see my wash day video, I will link it in the description or above the video. But I didn't deep condition my hair in that video because I didn't feel like it, and I didn't want to. I'm gonna try and deep condition my hair more often because my hair be all dry and stuff and sort of damaged. So I'm gonna try to stay consistent with that. I know some people don't like how some conditioners be having their hair looking white, but it really doesn't bother me. Like, I don't care for it. I just wanted to say that. So I'm just making sure I get my edges and stuff, you know. This is not really a tutorial, it's just showing you guys how I do my hair and stuff. So now I'm just combing out my hair. Before, when I will put a conditioner in my hair, I will just put the conditioner in my hair and leave it in. And then wash it out the next day. But now that I'm combing out my hair after I put the conditioner in, I do see a difference in my hair. By the way, I am deep conditioning overnight. I always do this one. So it's the next day and I already rinsed out the conditioner. So this hairstyle is like a puffball hairstyle, puffball ponytail hairstyle. mini puffballs, whatever you want to call them. Got this idea from my best friend. She had her hair like this, and I was like, maybe I should do that with my hair, because I will wash my hair and I will like wash it and stuff and pick it out and leave it out in the afro and not do nothing with it. So I just came up with this idea of hairstyle because I had nothing else to do with my hair and I was doing nothing with it. I'm not that good at parting my hair. If you guys watch my old hair videos, you will know that I will struggle trying to part my hair, but I just try to do my best. So right now I'm just parting my hair and parting it down the middle and like making like a little square. I don't even know. But yeah, and right now I'm just tying the hair around tying the hair up or whatever, and like making a little puff. And I had to do this like a couple times because like it wasn't tying right or whatever. I don't know, it's hard to explain. I'm also trying to grow my hair out and stuff, and I think this would be a great way to grow my hair, like if I put oil on it and stuff. If you guys have any tips, let me know in the comments. If you made it this far to the end of the video, let me know in the comment section what can I do, what other hairstyles I can do for TWA to grow my hair. My plan was to do 4 puffballs with the first row, but I ended up doing 3 because the third one that was in a row, it was too short, it was too small, so I just put it with the last one. Later on, these rubber bands got popping, and it was really getting on my nerves, and it's still getting on my nerves till this day. But yeah, I got these rubber bands from Family Dollar, and it was like $1. At first I was tying them like real tight, but now I'm just keeping them like loose so they don't pop. And at first I thought it was the clear rubber bands because it is a mixture of black and clear rubber bands. So I thought it was the clear rubber bands, so I started to use the black ones, and it didn't matter which one it was, they were still popping. But I'm gonna try to get some other rubber bands because these ones are getting on my nerves. So I'm just using a little grease and putting it on my scalp, just a little bit though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video gets to 11 likes, then I will do more hair videos like this. And yes, my scalp is red. I have sensitive skin. So, oh well, if you have a problem with that, you're just gonna have to deal with it. I also try to do my own hair instead of having somebody else do my hair, because you have to pay them probably, and they'll probably be rough with your hair and stuff. and use the wrong products for your hair, so it's better for me to do my own hair, and I'm kind of tender at it. So right here I'm just picking up my hair a little bit, just picking it out so it'll be easier to part. This is a really cute hairstyle. I do like it. This did turn out good. It didn't turn out the way I thought it was gonna turn out, because I thought it was gonna be all messy and like uneven and like messed up and stuff, but it turned out pretty good. Some of the puffs are big and some of them are small, but I try to make them as even. Also, after I tied up the hair, I did comb it out just to like detangle it or whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking because I don't have nothing else to say, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So here's the finished look. I do love the way that this turned out, and it was pretty easy. It wasn't hard or nothing, and it took me 3 hours. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.